Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making Alabama pecan bread. So what are the ingredients for Alabama pecan bread? 2 cups pecans, finely chopped, 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. And if you don't have any self-rising flour, you can make your own by combining 1 cup regular flour with 1.5 teaspoon baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup vegetable oil, 4 large eggs beaten, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. So let's begin. So you need to preheat your oven to 350. And then you want to take a 9x13 cake pan and grease it either with butter or cooking spray. So you want to get a big bowl and dump your 1 cup white sugar, your 1 cup brown sugar, your 4 eggs beaten, your 1 cup vegetable oil, and stir with a wooden spoon until fully incorporated. And you want to make sure that you get all of the big clumps of the brown sugar broke up and mixed. That's the hardest part. But it's looking pretty good. I'll give it a few more beats and then we'll go ahead and continue on. All right, so that looks pretty good right there. Then we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1.5 cup self-rising flour. And we'll go ahead and stir that until it is fully incorporated. And then we'll go ahead and add our 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix that in. And we'll dump the 2 cups of pecans in there and fold them in. All right, so it's all folded in, and we'll go ahead and dump this in the greased pan. And we'll put it in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes and we're going to check to see if the bread is done by sticking in a toothpick in the center. And it should come out clean. And it did. So we'll go ahead and let it sit for 15 minutes to cool before we can cut into it and serve it up. Okay, so here's the Alabama pecan bread.
That's really good. That'll be good warmed up. And I bet it would be good with some old-fashioned vanilla ice cream on top.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.